Wait, come here.
Stop.
Come here.
Stop, Mom.
Why? Hey y'all, it's me, I'm back, and today we have exciting news. Sydney graduates from high school. It's like, nah. She graduates from elementary school. She's going to be a junior high. She wants me to say junior high. I'm saying, you're going to 6th grade. She's like, junior high, Mom. And honestly, I'm not used to her, like, kids going to junior high in 6th grade, because I went to junior high. Middle school, it started in 7th grade. So I'm like, so it's kind of weird. But today is her graduation and I'm excited. So today I'm going to be packing orders. I'm packing orders right now. Then I'm going to go get her some flowers. Of course, you got to have flowers. Well, Sydney has to have flowers because she's special to me. And those little things, I could tell, like the little things that I say to Sydney, the little gestures, it could be anything little, like just rubbing her feet or giving her. Okay, so I just dropped off the packages. Now I'm going to Walmart. Whew. I wish his hair was fuller. I should have made it like super full. But the older it gets, the more I like it. And I just wear a scarf every day, so it's kind of flat, but the older it gets, the more I like it. But anyway, I'm on a time crunch. It's 2:14 and I gotta be home. So I'm going to Walmart right now to get her flowers. So see y'all later. There's a cyber truck behind me. It's so cute. It's black. But there it is. So cute.
Best friends, all of their kids call me up here, and whatever they go through,
Y'all, she took forever to pull out, but patience is key. They was waiting. They was trying to get the parking spot, but Job got it. I'm here. It's hot as hell outside. Okay, so it's 2:44 and I'm at Chick-fil-A getting her food. I have to go home and steam her clothes, our clothes that we're going to wear tonight. Sydney's wearing a skirt.
You're supposed to know. Hi, my friend.
Hello, how are you?
This is down.
Yes. Yep.
Here we go, my friend.
Thank you, my friend. Have a good day.
I love the car.
Thank you. She was calling me my friend. Hey, my friend. All right, gotta go. I'll see y'all when I'm steaming her clothes.
That's actually how he changed.
And there's a specific way you have to like walk back to your seat from front of the stage.
Mm-hmm.
It's like once you get off the stage, just take a photo. Like,
I know, I did graduation so many times.
yeah.
So many times.
And yeah, so
Nice. I need a little blush.
do you want some of my blush?
Such an avocado. I'm trying to hurry up because I want to take pictures. It's gonna take me 2 seconds to put on my clothes. Need some blush. Too fast. Too furious.
Do you like that?
Let me see.
Can't really see because I'm so short, but you can't see in the camera, but in the mirror it's better. What?
Let me put a little pink lipstick on.
Help.
Just a little pink.
I'm gonna actually.
Just a little bit.
Looks natural.
Yes. Okay. Put it to the side. Yes!
Please.
Hairstyle is styling. Locks are for a forever hairstyle. Get into it. Get into Sydney, y'all. Come here. Go. Turn this way. Let me see. Cutesy.
All right, go get your dress, your skirt on. And then they said there should be no purses, phones, or nothing with
I know this, girl.
I'm reminding you, just in case if you did forget. Jeez. So technical. Let's go for 6. Actually, I wanna like.
Okay, put your spray on. You look so cute, Sydney. Wait, stay right there. I got something for you. Stay right there. Don't move. Yep, for she's a jolly good fella. For she's a jolly good fella.
Yay!
Oh my God! Look at the flowers. Here, take some, Sydney. Take the flowers.
Cake.
Oh my God. Look at the flowers. They're so cute. Hold them still. I like the colors of it. No, that's cute. Yeah. But let them see the flowers, the color of the flower. No, like that. Yes. Like, hold on. That is so cute.
Hey,
Wait, hold still. I'm taking a...
little shorts, like because you like the 2 shop for 100 shop thing, and like they show like and they show like the flowers.
Oh, you want to do that? Okay, and here's her unicorn. She likes okay. All right. Okay, so let me get dressed and we'll come back.
Take some.
No, when you come back home, you can eat some. We don't have time. Bye. What did you say?
I don't understand why do I have to go to school after we graduate. That great. If we graduated, why do I have to go back the next day?
Sydney. So cute. Back straight, remember. You think it's sticking out, did you? I see it.
Sydney Smith.
Feel good?
I didn't expect that to be like that. Don't put me doing this on there.
Oh
Like
yeah,
that.
with Ariani. Yeah.
I like completely forgot about that like that.
You look so cute. I saw so many pictures of you.
Yeah.
Come here, right here. Let's take a picture. Right here. Give me a kiss. My graduate. You did so well walking across the stage.
Well, like, were my shoulders up or down?
They were up, but it's okay.
Like this?
Yeah.
Whatever, it's fine.
Some of those clothes, you could have worn sneakers.
I could have worn those little heel things.
You could have worn anything you want. You don't listen to me.
You said no, don't.
You said no. So you said no sneakers. I saw so many people with sneakers on.
I mean, because I was shooting the slideshow said I have to say. What's
I have a 6th grader. Okay, so we're back. It was a beautiful day. I'm using her phone and I don't like the way it looks. It looks weird.
Mine just has better quality. That's why yours is
no.
low. Yours lots of times you says mine's better quality.
Look at this. It's like making us pale.
It's not. It's really not.
It is. It really is. Ooh.
Can you eat now?
Wait, show them the cake.
Ugh.
I don't know why she put it in the fridge.
Cause I like cake cold. No, Mom, I opened.
Oh my god.
Mom,
Go ahead, it's a unicorn cake.
no spit it. Oh yeah.
Unicorn cotton candy. Look at her nails. Show them your nails. They kind of match the cake. Hurry it.
Knock that out.
Your paper plate. Nice.
One or two?
2. Or you don't want to give me a piece?
No, I'm just asking. Can I cut it? Do you like icing?
Just cut me a piece. Get spoons. Oh, that was perfect. Perfection.
No, I still have pick it up.
Oh, look at the inside. Congratulations, Sid.
I'm just that awesome.
You are. You definitely are.
Yeah.
Next graduation,
Middle school.
high school.
Middle school.
Do you graduate from middle school?
Don't
That's
they do
too many
like an
graduations.
8th grade dance or something?
I don't know.
Yeah, have like an 8th grade dance.
I mean, I guess